Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt for you.
It's been soaking in the dye for about 24 hours.
A beautiful Blinkle. We love the Blinkle. Beautiful, beautiful Blinkle.
This was a Dadu original color pattern.
At least the name. Yeah. I wanted to go blue, purple, pink.
Remember we tried to do this one one-sided.
This is a one-sided double?
One-sided double Blinkle spiral.
Double Blinkle spiral. Okay. That's a mouthful.
One-sided double Blinkle spiral.
I'm sure it's going to be beautiful.
Oh, I gotta get my tub. Nah, fuck it. Screw it. Let's just take it in there. Alright, let's just take it.
To the inside?
Alright, yeah. We're just gonna go for it. Thank you, Daddy.
Inside now with the hot water. Get it unbanded.
Wow. That's good.
Get all that beautiful color in there.
Let's get some of this dye.
Definitely a lot in this one. Look at the double spiral, double the dye.
Almost looks like it did. I got the dye run off all over.
What is high fashion as far as how what's the really fabric for?
Oh, dude, it's gonna look so cool. I can already tell.
Huh?
It's gonna look so cool. I can already tell.
Very cool. More Blinkle in there. Looks like there's a good amount of white left, which is what we wanted.
We're experimenting a lot with these one-sided patterns and leaving the white in there. The problem is when you leave white, you have to make sure all of the dye is rinsed out of the shirt. Otherwise, that extra dye will bleed over to your white.
Super clear and cold temperature seem to help a lot too.
Do you see any more dye coming off? There's some coming off right there.
Coming off there, and
one last pass over, just to make sure I don't miss any areas. Can't be getting ahead of myself, because whenever I do, it's when the white comes actually. Let's look at it.
that's pretty cool.
I know just how I wanted it to.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Sweet.
Nice.
Sweet.
That's so cool.
Well, it'll turn out great.
No, I'm not kidding. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's nice. Nice. Alright. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. What a beautiful tie-dye tee. Look at that. Beautiful double spiral. Opposed spiral. Got a good gradient there. Nice mixing of the colors. Got a little bit of blue, some purple, some pink. This is a Blinkle shirt. Look at that. That's the front. Man, does that look good. Just a good mix of color. Oh yeah. That. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.